Hello students, today our topic is notice writing. In writing skill, you have different topics and notice writing is one of them. Firstly, today we will do the notice of lost and found. In this video, we are going to discuss what is a notice, what is the format of a notice, and what are the different types of notice, and finally we will do how can you write a notice if you lost any article. If you lost anything, then how can you write a notice? So let's start this. Firstly, which question will come in your mind when we hear notice? Then, dear student, many questions are there in your mind. What is a notice? How can you write that? And what is the use of any notice? Why it is required? It is a written, what is a notice? It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. So, what is a notice? Notice is just a notice is just an information which is written or printed. Either it can be written by someone on a paper or it can be any printout. And in this we are targeting, we wants to inform particular group. For example, I hope you all know there is one notice board in your school. On that notice board, you can find different type of information. For example, any event is there, any particular day is going you are going to celebrate, any function or any means special event, you can say. Are you getting these information from your school notice board or not? Yes. So there are different type of topics which we can include in the notice writing. First, an event, an inauguration, a function, or general instructions. Dear student, for example, if you lost anything in your school, then you have to inform the students, teachers, and other members in your school, or you will announce in society, I lost something in my school. No, you have to give information to a particular group. Okay, you will give information to a particular group. That's why it is written, means notice is just only to inform one particular or special group. I hope now you have understood what is a notice and it covers different topics. So firstly, today we are doing the notice of lost. Dear student, if you lost anything, any article like pen, book, wristwatch is there, color box is there, then if suppose if you lost your money, then how can you write a notice? Simply we will do that. Before writing notice, then we will discuss some key points. Which points you have to keep in mind while you will write notice. Notices are to be displayed on notice board of the school. This is here notice is written, notice board, NOTICE, notice board of the school. So where can you display your notice? On the notice board of your school. If you are in college, now you are in school, so it is related to school. And if someone is in college or any organization, then they will also put, for example, if any teacher will lost his bag, anything, then we can also put the notice on school notice board. Notice is used to inform about an event or any program. If any event, I told you already, if any event is going to happen or any program is there, then you can also include that. A notice must be outlined and closed inside a box. A notice must be written in a box. Like in this picture also you can see one box is there. So like this box you can write one notice in a box. And what will be the word limit? Word limit within 50 words. You should not cross the word limit of 50. 50 words are sufficient. Okay, you should not write more words than 50. A notice must be written in a fresh page. Nothing else should be written on that page. You should write your notice on a fresh page. Means you can't use any rough page, because if other informations are written on that page, then no one will pay attention towards that. So you should write your notice on a fresh page. Then only relevant point information should be written there. You should write the relevant points. Don't write extra information which is not required. So these key points you have to keep in mind while you will write the notice. Now we will discuss the marking scheme. In marking scheme we have, if only you are in paper, if you are only paper or any test, if you are writing only format, then you will get only 2 marks. And then for content, means how is your expression, for grammar, for spelling mistakes, you will get 3. So this is the marking scheme, 2 plus 3. Total it will come in 5 marks, because it is a short writing task. Now we will discuss the format. What is the format? Firstly, you have to write the name of the organization. Then notice, this word you will write. In next picture you will see how will you do. Only some points are discussed here. Then you will write date. Then your topic, what is the topic of your notice. Then body, means your content will come here. Then signature, means the name of the writer who is writing the notice. Then address if required. Address is not mandatory, it is optional. Then here you can see the format. This date will not come here. Firstly, name of the organization will come. What will come in the name? In name you can write the name of your school. If someone is in college, then they will write the name of a college. And if anyone is working in any other office, then they will write the name of their office. So name of the organization will come. Then notice, this word will come in capital NOTICE, so readers can understand, yes, there is any information clearly. Then here left side you can write the date. What is the date? For example, today is 30th June 2020. Then here topic will come. What is the topic of your notice? Then body of the notice, means here content will come. Which message do you want to convey? Then in last, here you can see the signature will come, the writer's signature, and address. This is optional. If it is required, then you can write, otherwise no need. I hope now you have understood. You can write this format in your notebook. I will send you the one separate pic of a format also, so you can write down the format of notice from that pic. Okay, some more pics you can see for the format. See, same is given, name of the organization is given. Then notice, this word will come. Date, then you will write the date here. Then title, what is the topic? For title you can say headline, you can say. In body, content will come. Then signature and name. Some do like signature like this, then no one can understand whose name it is there. So here you can write your name. And designation, for example, if you are the head boy or head girl of school, or if you are the monitor of your class, any particular designation if you are having, or you can write the name of your class, so anyone can identify you. This format you should follow. Now we will do one more example. See, you are Sumit Kumar, a student of class. Here you can write 6th here. A student of class 6th of SSVM public school is given here, Hisar. Here you can write the name of your school. Has lost his wristwatch in the school premises. Write a notice for your school notice board in about 50 words. Then you have to write a notice for your school notice board, and what is the word limit? 50 words. So we will see how can we write. Then see, what is this? If you will see, this is name of the organization. Here you can write the name of your school. Then notice, we have to write this word in capital. Then here date is given. Here you can write 30th June, today's date you can write, or when you are writing the notice, that date you can write. Then here, this is the heading topic, because lost, this lost word you will write 3 times, means lost. Readers can understand. It is very catchy. Reader can understand means something is lost. It is related to any lost article. So this is your heading, you can say. It is your topic. It is your then a wristwatch of means what is lost. You have to give information. This is the body of the content. How will you write? A wristwatch of Titan company has been lost in school premises. It has a square, means you will give some particular, you have to give some particular information about that article. For example, how is the shape of that watch, what is the color of its band color you can mention here, how is the dial? Square. Chocolate brown straps, means this is the identity marks. Whoever finds this wristwatch, please hand over it to the sports room. Then you have to write the place also. If anyone will find, then where can they submit? If anyone will find that article, where he or she can submit that article. So here, if anyone finds the wristwatch, then that person can submit in the sports room, or that person has option, means either he can submit in the sports room, or either he can submit the undersigned. What is undersigned? Whose signature is there, like Sumit Kumar is undersigned here. The founder will be awarded, and who will find, then that person will be awarded, means you will give him a treat, like that. And in last designation, means here you class 9th B, Sumit Kumar belongs to class 9th B. Here you can write the name of your class 6th. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. Firstly, name of the organization will come, then you will write notice, this word in center, because everyone will understand which information is given here. Then date will come, then topic, then message which you want to convey. If any article is lost, dear student, then you have to give some identity mark, means any for example, if you lost your pen, then you can write the name of means that is a Rotomac pen, or you can write the what is the color of that pen, that is a blue pen, in this ball pen or gel pen. These information you can write related to the article. So I hope you have understood. I will give you some questions also for practice, so do the practice. Thank you and have a nice day.